goodness, that was smooth. You know what else is smooth? My face. You wanna know why? Because Dollar Shave Club has a $5 starter pack just for you guys. In this one, you have not only razors and stuff though, they have a new shower and oral kit. So you got a nice little toothbrush right there, toothpaste. You also have shampoo, body cleanser, and daily face cleanser, along with your shave stuff. Again, so toothbrush, toothpaste, face cleanser, body cleanser, shampoo, razor. Well, that was the shaft of the razor. These are the razors. And then the shave butter, my favorite stuff of all time. So Dollar Shave has you covered from head to toe. So in the description, got a nice little gift for you. $5 for a starter pack with Dollar Shave Club. Click that top of the description. I got you guys. We got the lift, baby. Oh, I love you. By the way, we made Trailer Tom an Instagram. You guys seem to really love him, and you're happy he was back. And he got, what'd you get? 5,000 followers in 24 hours? Hell yeah, bro. I love it, dude. It's so funny. Well, what's so funny about that? Hey, we're here, this time with an 18-foot trailer, so hopefully I can get out of here. You guys have no idea how excited I am to see this Subaru. I've seen a picture of it, and it literally, it's almost like you can't even tell that the car was ever wrecked. This car has come such a long way, and I am psyched. I'm psyched to show you guys. I'm psyched to see it. Let's go check it out. These are literally my old wheels and tires off of my Evo. That's so funny. Oh, is this it? Oh my God. That looks like it's like brand new.
Yeah, you wouldn't even notice it.
Holy crap, Brett. That looks insane.
Yeah, those are the old wheels. Isn't that funny?
Well, here we go, baby. We decided to go very simple with this and just go back to World Rally Blue. And you almost can't even tell that this car was in a wreck. The flares or anything like that, like none of the flares aren't on, so I still have to go home and do a bunch of body work, and we have to cut the fenders out. But the only thing is, it didn't stick to the Bondo absolutely perfectly, but I think I can go ahead and polish some of that out, do a little bit of polishing. But this is crazy how good this looks, dude. Wow, this is actually dip. Yeah, and it looks literally so good. It looks just like paint. If I wouldn't have told you guys this is dip, I don't know if anybody would actually ever know that. It's so crazy how far the technology has come, and also just how good my boy Brett can make cars look with a spray-on wrap. So sick, dude. So I have taillights at home. Let's go see the body kit stuff. All right, so we have the side skirts that are now matched. That's gonna look, wow, that looks great. It looks so much better.
Yeah, those are pretty perfect. Like,
that is so cool, dude. That looks amazing. So reflective. That's gonna look crazy on the car, dog. I'm gonna go home and put these on pretty much first thing. We will have to come back. He said he ran out of some pearl, so we gotta come back for the red scoop.
There were so many parts, and then this album just got left out.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's so sick. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh man.
I like those shoes.
I like the shoes, bro. We need to have a car themed like this, no?
Yeah, dude, a Lexus like that.
Very cool. We have a lot to do still, but I'd like to get the car completely, like, at least looking good by the end of today. If we can get the car looking good by the end of today, I'll be really happy. We need to put the body kit on and make everything fit. I'm stoked to see the body kit with all the liner and stuff. I don't know. Anyways, let's get home and let's have some fun. All right, Lexus, we need this this little spot you got right here. This Subi needs it. Well, holy crap. This is definitely a weird sight. The Subaru is home. I can't believe how far, like, dipping technology has come. I mean, this looks just as good as any paint I could have gotten. And it's so sick. I can still buff it, compound it, do everything I need to. It has real clear coat. Like, this is real clear coat that has a little additive in it that makes it flex. This is crazy. So basically what we're gonna be doing today is I got a few things we need to do. We need to put the body kit on, and this side needs to be, yikes. God, this is just absolutely insane that this is in my garage. God, life is just absolutely insane. It's great. All right, so definitely I'm gonna polish these babies today because they look ugly. Uh-oh. This is bad, dude. I need to, yeah, it's gonna have to get cut. So it looks pretty decent. We're not going for show quality here. We're going for functionality. I gotta go trim a little bit back on the other side, but that should definitely be enough clearance. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start mounting the body kit with its proper hardware. Really excited about this. The body kit has not seen, oh, it looks so nice. Look at that flake, dude. That's dip, dude. That's insane. So I kind of think I left my hardware at my old apartment, so I had to get a little creative here. Didn't want to use the Cleco pens, at least all over the car. What I did is I got some of my extra long dress-up bolts that I got for my Evo, and then I matched it up with my handy-dandy John 3/16. It's actually kind of funny. And thankfully, the 3/16 is the perfect size hole for this to just naturally thread in. So it's actually threaded into the metal of the body, and ideally you don't ever want to keep it that way, but this actually works. And you see like a nice, it's all trimmed back up there. It shouldn't cause any rubbing issues or anything like that. But yeah, look guys, remember whenever I mudded with this car? Fun times, dude. This is actually how crazy polishing is. Look at this. Look at that. Brand new looking versus old nasty. I have gotten my money's worth out of this thing over the past 6 years, dude. So glad I bought one. So easy. Yeah, so evidently I missed a thing of Bondo, so that's, oh, you guys get to see every single imperfection this car ever has, but dude, this is crazy, and I have to say that having a lift in this garage has made this process like a million times easier, I would say. I had to do all this on my butt, on my back, and I didn't have to, and I'm freaking psyched about it. So I obviously need to get my hardware, I need to trim some more stuff. I need to get my, that little liner, just laying right there, don't shoot. This is so tight. I can't wait to put wheels on it and see how she's gonna look. All right, boys, she still needs a bit of work, but let's get her down and see what she looks like. Yeah, dude. Gotta go ahead and I gotta peel that off, and I'm halfway done. Well, maybe like 20% peeling this off. Look how clear this is, though, dude. Clutch, do you love it? It's so sweet, huh? This car was broken. Somebody crashed this car. This car was completely bunky. Dude, this is absolutely insane. Bro, what wreck are you talking about, dude? What wreck are you talking about? Yeah, dude, he's like, yeah, what's up? Oh my God, I can't believe we transformed this car from this to this. Whoopsies, I actually did forget to put this little piece of the kit on. But look how shiny, new, nice this is. Damn, dude, this is like the 95% reveal of the wrecked WRX build. I cannot believe that this car has actually ended up looking like this. What's up, dude? Do you want attention? Crazy cool. Look at that, guys. This whole side was just smasherinoed, smasheroonied, and now it's dusty because I've been cutting crap all in the garage and it doesn't look great again, but it's certainly not 100% perfect, and I'm sure most of you guys can tell, but this is crazy. So cool. I feel so accomplished. Okay, so I'm really just kind of dumbfounded, and I'm just basking in the glory of how sick this is, that this is actually in the flesh with fresh paint and just looks so good. But I will go ahead and I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about what we have left to do. We have a few minor things, but the car is not 100% yet. A little bit of wiring stuff. So this door right here actually came off of I believe a Hawkeye, and they barely changed. They changed slightly the plugs, so I'm gonna have to just solder that shut. I need to vacuum it and actually clean the car out. It really deserves that. I need the rear glass back in. That's a big deal. I need to put a few of the trim pieces. Like now I have this I need to put back in and that sort of deal. Another big thing is suspension. I need to do an alignment for sure. This car 100% needs an alignment, but for some reason it's still towed in on this side and it's towed out on this side a little bit. And then I also need the hardware and stuff like that. So we have a few things to do here and there, but we're about, I would say, 95% done. This is crazy, dude. This is crazy, dude. So many people told us we couldn't do it, and then we wouldn't, and we did. So definitely need to get this to fit a little bit better. They actually did send me STI ones, said WRX ones, so it's gonna fit a little awkward, but I can definitely make it fit better than it is right now. This fitment up here is so sick, dude. I love Carltons. I've always wanted to own a Subaru with Carltons, and well, I do. I now do. A lot of little stuff here and there to do. I'll have Clutch take care of it, right, bud? Yeah, can you sniff it down for me and let me know what I need to do next? Now my favorite part, now that that's done, we gotta make room for the brothers and sisters. How easy is it gonna be to do literally anything? Oh, change the header, boom. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Change the exhaust, ooh, add the exhaust that I took off, easy. Love it, dude. The car collection is just so cool. That's so cool. Bruh. We got space though. So awesome, dude. This dream garage is crazy. We're still missing one car, the Z. We don't know what's going on with that yet. We'll figure it out. This life is so cool. I'm so glad I get to share it with you guys. And I hope that I can, give you not only, daily advice and stuff, but just a crazy amount of entertainment in my crazy, stupid life. I'm ready to finally do some stuff with my cars. It's been such a crazy, hectic, we had so much going on, especially with the house this last month, buying a new car, buying a new trailer, buying the R33, getting stuff set up, crazy. This car is gonna be a little more loud tomorrow, so that's gonna be really fun. I just wanna say thank you guys. I wanna end today with, I guess my daily advice will be, I kind of sometimes repeat stuff, and I do it because I think it's really important. There is so much power in saying, I can. So many people out there just don't believe in themselves. Guys, even if it's as small as getting up and going to the grocery store or waking up on time or something really simple like that, or if it's as big as overcoming a drug addiction or a alcohol problem or problems with relationships. Some people can be addicted to relationships or pornography, whatever it is, you can overcome it, but you have to believe that you can. Guys, I had a bad drug addiction. I was physically addicted to a medication. The main way I got off of it was by fasting, which is a biblical thing, just to give yourself a mandatory break, and also was to just tell myself I can. So if you think you can't lose that weight, or you can't get that job, or you can't, whatever it is, just try and change it and say you can. And even if you fail, there's nothing wrong with always telling yourself that you can. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Yo, got 2 videos for you. Hope you guys like the color. But yeah, that was random. Two videos. Yeah. Ooh, there's a lot of ums in here so far. Yikes. Watch those videos. Don't click out. Watch them.